Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Friends, now I am here with another multi-bagger stock in piping industry, Astral Limited. Astral has already given 187% returns in 1 year, still the stock has got huge potential to give multi-bagger returns in future. Astral stands for innovation and setting new trends in the piping industry, bringing newer piping technologies and continuous innovation in existing as well as new products has been the focal point at Astral. Astral Pipes was established in 1996 and it is one of the best piping manufacturing companies in India. Its primary aim is to manufacture pro-India plumbing and drainage systems along with production of adhesives and sealants. Friends, now let us analyze this stock completely and in the end I am going to give you levels and targets for both short term and long term. Before going further, I suggest you watch my playlist on multi-bagger stocks. I have given videos on Happiest Minds, Newland Laboratories, Laurus Labs, Praj Industries, etc. Please watch them. I am giving the video link in the description box and also in the I-bar section. Astral Pipes has got hat-trick as it is selected as consumer validated super brand in piping category consecutively 3 times in a row. Also, Astral is official partner of Chennai Super Kings and associate partner of Mumbai Indians and official sponsor of Knight Riders. Ranveer Singh, the famous Bollywood actor, is the new face of Astral Pipes, the India's most trusted pipe. India का सबसे भरोसेमंद pipe. Friends, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's see the details about company. Astral is first to introduce CPVC piping system in India. CPVC is chloropolyvinyl chloride. Also, Astral is first to introduce lead-free UPVC plumbing piping system in India. UPVC means unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. Also, it is first to get National Sanitation Foundation approval in India in 2007 and also first to launch lead-free UPVC column pipes in India. Now let's see Astral at a glance. In 1996, company has been established. It has got 6 manufacturing plants for pipes, 5 manufacturing plants for adhesives and sealants, and 2 for water tanks manufacturing. It has got 12 depots for pipes and 9 depots for adhesive and sealants. It has huge network of 850 plus distributors and 1300 distributors for adhesive and sealants. And its company has been exporting to 25 plus countries. And company's production capacity is 2,57,946 million tons per annum for pipes and water tanks and 92,176 million tons per annum for adhesives and sealants. It has got 4,800 plus employees and 33,000 dealers for pipes, 1,30,000 dealers for adhesives and sealants, and it has got manufacturing presence in 3 countries. Now let's see its manufacturing facilities. Piping manufacturing facilities are located at Sitarganj, Uttarakhand, Gilot, Rajasthan, Dholka, Gujarat, Sangli, Maharashtra, Hosur, Tamil Nadu. And water tank units are located at Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Pipes and water tanks unit located at Santej, Gujarat. Adhesives and sealants units are located at Santej, Gujarat, Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, Rania, Uttar Pradesh, and also in USA and UK. Now let's see top management. Sandeep Engineer is the managing director of Astral Limited. He is chemical engineer by profession and he is also the founder of Astral Limited. In 1987, he started Sri Chemicals to manufacture pharmaceutical intermediates. Later, he established Cairo Chemicals Limited. After 8 years of business in pharmaceutical bird drugs, he decided to diversify and venture into polymer processing. He soon approached BF Goodrich, a Fortune 500 company of USA, now Lubrizol. It is pioneered in patented chlorinated polyvinyl chloride CPVC polymers used in piping industries. And he has got tie-up for the processing license for the first time in India. This tie-up formed a new company named Astral Polytechnic Limited. Now it is known as Astral Limited. In 2014, the engineer diversified Astral business by entering into adhesives and sealants market. So friends, with his vast experience and profound skills, Sandeep Engineer is driving Astral Limited to achieve its newer heights. Now let's see its business model. Astral Limited has 100% stake in ABPL, Astral Biochem Private Limited, and 97.45% in Resinova Chemi Limited, and 80% in Sealit UK, and 100% in Sealit USA, and 50% in APL Kenya, but presently it is closing its business in Kenya. Astral has diversified its business into 4 segments: pipes and fittings, infrastructure, water tanks, and adhesives and sealants. And Astral products are used in various applications like plumbing, surface drainage, cable protection, sewage and drainage systems, industrial, urban infrastructure, agricultural, fire protection, and also insulation. And Astral has innovative products in each and every system. For plumbing system, Pexep Pro, CPVC, Aquarius Multi, drainage system, Silency, Drain Hulk, D-Rex, fire protection, Fire Pro, agriculture, Borewell, cable protection, WireGuard, Telerex, Multirex, ancillary, hangers, Insupro, and water tanks, Sarita, and Astral Clio, Vito, Silo. And in epoxy, adhesives, Bondtite, Bondset, silicone sealants, Resibond, Resipro, construction chemicals, TrueBuild, rubber adhesive, Resigrip, admixtures, TrueBuild, solvent cements, Solvabond, Amro, Truzo, Weldon, and for industrial adhesives, Pesto-Free, Filex, Resivax, and clear acrylic adhesives, Bondfix, instant sanitizers, ResiShield, anaerobic adhesives, Resimat, drilling, grouting, and repair motor, TrueBuild. Astral has launched a new product, Astral MultiPro. It is a composite fiber, both hot and cold water plumbing. And Astral has launched India's first water tank with antiviral copper shield with wide range of product offering like Clio, Vito, and Silo. And also in the year 2020, Astral acquired Sarita, a Aurangabad-based manufacturing company for water tanks. And Astral has launched new products in Solvabond, CPVC 707, UPVC 606, and PVC 501. And in Resiwood, it has launched Edge and Jesta. And in TrueBuild, APC 225, TruePro, Aqualock, CFP 425, and in Bondset GP, Kangan Fix. Now let's see the market opportunity versus Astral market share. In plastic and infra pipes, Astral has 7.52%. In water tanks, Astral has only 0.08% market share. And in adhesive sealants and construction material in India, it has 3.18%. In UK, it has 1.84%. Overall, it only has 4.74% of market share. So friends, there is a huge growth opportunity in the market and Astral is well positioned to grab this opportunity and it is ready to acquire more and more share in the market in coming years. Astral has two group companies, one is Astral Adhesives and Bondit USA and UK. So friends, we can say that Astral as a company, its business model and its top management is excellent. Now let's see the past returns given by this company. In the past 1 year, Astral has tremendously grown by 187.12%. That means if you have invested 1 lakh 1 year ago, it would have become 2,87,000 by now. And in the past 5 years, the stock has risen tremendously by 602%. That means it has multiplied your capital by 6 times. And if you see the maximum chart pattern, the stock has given marvelous returns of 32,880%. That means if you have invested 1 lakh in the year of 2007, it would have become 3 crores 28 lakhs. This is insane growth. So friends, based on chart pattern, the company is excellent. Now let's see its financials. It has got market capitalization of 41,883 crores and it has long-term debt of 109 crores, but now it is become almost debt-free company. It has free cash flow of 187.2 crores. If we see the profit and loss statement, the sales has grown tremendously from 281 crores in March 2010 to 3,176 in March 2021. That means almost 10 times growth. If you see the net profit, it has grown from 28 crores in March 2010 to 404 crores in March 2021. That is almost 15 times growth. Friends, if we see the group revenue breakup, revenue has decreased from 77% to 76% in pipes. And in adhesives, it has increased from 23% to 24%. And revenue from operations has grown over CAGR of 13.8% from 2017 to 2021. In the last year, it has grown by 23.2%. And profit after tax has grown tremendously by CAGR of 29.6%. And in the last year, it has shown mind-blowing growth rate of 63.5%. And its gross profit margin has increased from 31.2% to 38%. And EBITDA margin has increased from 14.3% to 20.9%. These margins are excellent. And if we see the net debt to equity ratio, both in pipes business and consolidated business, the debt has been consistently reducing and presently the company is debt-free company. If we see the return on equity, over 10 years it has given 20%, 5 years 20%, 3 years 20% and last year it has given 24%. So friends, by looking at revenue growth, profit growth, return on equity and profit margins, we can say that Astral has solid financials. Now let's see its shareholding pattern. Promoters has 55.74%, foreign institutional investors has 22.71%, mutual funds has 7.19%, and non-institutional investors like retailers has 13.87%. As 30% shares are with mutual funds and foreign institutional investors, we can expect huge growth in this company. Now let's see its competitive advantages. Seamless backward integration, unbeatable quality, and world-class manufacturing facilities and technical tie-ups with bigger companies and product innovations and value engineering services, and it has strong brand equity, wide and deep distribution reach. All these factors gives an excellent competitive advantages to Astral Limited. Now let's see its risk. The increase in cost of raw material, any stagnation or slowdown in construction industry, the growing competition in domestic as well as international markets are the main risk for this company. The present competitors for Astral Limited are Supreme Industries, Prince Pipes, Finolex Industries, and Apollo Pipes, and several other small companies. Now let's see the future growth prospects of Astral Limited. Company is well positioned to scale up its business by opening new manufacturing facilities. Due to the COVID pandemic, there is a shift from unorganized players to organized players. And government spendings under various schemes like Jal Nal, low cost housing schemes will spend sizable amount on piping industries, and Astral is well positioned to grab this opportunity. And the higher PVC pricing may lead to market cannibalization towards CPVC products, and Astral is the leader in CPVC products. And moreover, Astral management is expecting its business in pipes is likely to get doubled in next 5 years. And overall industry growth is expected over a CAGR of 9% to 10%. And Astral is expecting higher growth from recently launched products, and it's innovating itself by launching new products. And Astral is expanding its business by adding new dealers and distribution network. East India will be good growth driver for Astral, where its competitors are having sizable market share. Astral is planning to construct new plants at Aurangabad for Central and West India markets, and Sangli for West and South Indian markets, and for Bhubaneswar for East and Northeast markets. So friends, by looking at all these factors, we can say that Astral Limited has got huge growth opportunity in future. Now let's see whether it is overvalued or undervalued. The stock's price to earnings ratio is 103, whereas industrial PE is 60. That means it is surely overvalued. And stock's price to book value is 27.56, whereas sector PB is 4.25. That means stock is overvalued. Friends, people are expecting huge growth in Astral Pipe. That is why the stock is trading at higher price. If any correction occurs, try to grab this opportunity and pick this stock for the long term purpose. That means at least hold it for 10 to 15 years. It can give you multi-bagger returns in future. Now let's see its levels and targets. Presently, the stock is consolidating in the range of 1900 to 2150, and its RSI is 67. The stock may consolidate for more than a week, and if any good news comes, the stock may give a breakout. Now let's see the levels and targets for positional traders. Current market price of Astral Limited is 2084. Its resistance levels are 2135, 2200, and its support levels are 2015, 1950, 1920. And its targets are: target 1 is 2135, target 2 is 2250, and target 3 is 2500. And you can keep stop loss at 1900, and you should have patience for 8 months to achieve these targets. So friends, if you are a positional trader, invest partially at each and every dip and at each and every support levels, and wait for 8 months to achieve these targets. If you are a long term investor, try to grab the stock at each and every dip and also at the support levels. It can give you multi-bagger returns in future. So friends, by looking at company's management, business model, strong financials, competitive advantages, and future growth prospects, we can say that Astral Limited can become a future multi-bagger. Friends, this is all about Astral Limited. If you want any other stock, please write in the comment box. I will definitely make a video for you. A small disclaimer: levels, targets, and stock recommendation are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.